Okay, guys, we're going to talk about whether you should get uh, insurance for towing or you should pay for Towboat USA type, sea tow, etc. In my opinion, you should get insurance. Excuse the background noise because we're about to go through a storm. Uh, August 2020 storm with 145 miles an hour wind right now, 6 hours before landfall. I'm taping this because I can't get the boat. But going back to the subject, um, if you have insurance, right now we're going through a storm, you're covered from the insurance. Uh, Cost is about $260 for this boat. It's about a 20-foot boat. Coverage is about $25,000. Uh, if you have insurance, you also will be covered while you're towing. They have paid me $500 for towing. And if you have insurance, they will tow you on the water. And that means any water, whether it's 100 miles from here, or north of U.S. or possibly Canada, I don't know. But if you have a tow package, you pretty much restricted to the area they cover. Now, if you have insurance, you can find anybody to take care of the problem, and they pay you back if you show a receipt. Uh, and that will be on land, and that will be on water. Now, the land service towing that I used, I didn't give it a high rating. I ended up hiring somebody myself, and they paid me back uh, for it. Uh, That was recent. I have a video on that if you want to see it. Uh, so overall, if you're speeding up this video as just jumping to the conclusion, like I do all the time, you should get insurance, okay? My cost is about $263 a year, and they cover me on, you need to, the tow on the land and the water is the extra coverage. The company that I'm with is called Sign and Glide. If you know which company that is, I'm not going to tell you which company you should go, but it's one of the major companies. 263 is in 2020 is what I'm paying. But they cover you on land, water, any water, whether it's down the road or 200 miles away. And the towing for land is to the nearest repair shop, or like 50 miles. And they were very flexible. So in one case I had to go like 75 miles. They didn't have a problem with it. They still paid for it. And if you are paying for towing on land for your boat, shop around if you're paying for your out of pocket and there's no insurance involved. Because when I called the people, I called like 10 people, and I was getting a 300% difference in price, where one guy was saying $200, another guy was saying $600. Yeah, of course, yeah, yeah, it's expensive here to tow a boat. You need a flatbed, and it's not everybody can do it. It's not a regular tow. So you get a flatbed and you tow the boat. Watch the video, you can see it. Uh, that sums it up. Overall, 2 thumbs up to the insurance with their extra coverage of Sign and Glide or water towing and things like that, packages. And uh, call the major companies, definitely compare. Good luck. I hope this saves you some money. Go boating and support this channel. I know you know what that means. Click, click, click. All right. Talk to y'all later. I hope this storm that we're going through does not kill anybody. Unfortunately, it will. It's very bad. Talk to you later.